What is this? Crystal, is that you?
Velen boy. What a surprise. I haven't seen you since school days. What's going on?
I'm good. Since school days, yes. Wait, that's really a long time, eh? You know, I see lots of people from St. James Secondary, but this is the first time I seen you since.
Don't worry, I only seeing you and the guys on the papers.
Or well, I was just about to tell you that some of us from 95, 96 started a multi-purpose cooperative in school and it started off real good.
I read about it. I think it's an excellent idea, both for the school and for the past students. But tell me a little more about the cooperative.
Girl, since we started, we have gotten tremendous support from the Parents Teachers Association, alumni, teachers, the principal and the commissioner of cooperatives. So we had our media lunch and first registration day. That's how we got the exposure with the media articles you saw.
Oh great. That was some good coverage. You all look like some serious businessmen there, boy.
Well, we are approaching this very seriously and the guys involved are giving it their all. We have accountants, economists, bankers and businessmen involved.
Wow. Sounds good. I saw Andy, Huggins, Barry, Koshka, Jamal and Elcock in the newspapers also. I will tell the others I see from time to time about it, but how do we sign up and get involved?
Check us on Facebook as St. James Secondary Cooperative. We have all the info there, membership forms, registration days, contact numbers and email addresses, or call any one of us. My number is 765-1955.
Great stuff. So, I will give you a call and you will see us at the next registration day, or we may even call before to register.
Nice. Sounds like a plan. Call it any time, and you can also think about joining one of our management committees. Who would have thought, eh? Old past Principal Murphy must be shocked out his shoes.
Haha, for real. I would definitely like to be on board, so I will check out the Facebook page and we will talk again soon.
Sure. Well, I have to run. We have a planning meeting in a couple minutes, but I will tell everyone I saw you. Take care, Crystal.
You too, Velen. Bye.